Hi, Phoenix. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to explain this over the phone, so I'm going to send you this and then call you and make sure that you understand everything. But here's number 7 on the homework for 17-2, 17.2. So we know that these two triangles here are similar. That's what that lovely little symbol means. So that means that there's a proportion problem. And that's basically how you're going to set up all the rest of these on the homework is a proportion. So what I do, the easiest way I find is just to call one of our triangles the top and one the bottom. And it doesn't matter which one's on the top and which one's on the bottom. As long as you're consistent, doesn't matter. So I just called this one the top, and I'm going to write these values, this 25 and the 4x minus 1, I'm going to write those as values on the top of the fraction right there. All right, now notice this 25 right here. This goes between, that's the side between T and L. So when you look right here, T and L are my first two letters right here. So this one is going to be proportionate with the first two letters on my other triangle, on the C to H. So C to H right here. So I'm going to put that 10 right under that. And then just kind of double check. You could just write your numbers down. But LY right here, that side, LY is the last two. That's going to be proportional to HK, which are the last two, which is the X plus 5. And then once you've got it written as a proportion, as a fraction, you can use last unit's cross product property to go ahead and solve this. So this is just saying 10, the top times the other bottom. So 10 times 4x minus 1 is equal to 25 times x plus 5. And then we can distribute. So 40x minus 10 is equal to 25x plus 125. And then just go ahead and solve for x. So we're going to, let's subtract 25x from both sides. So then I'm left with 15x over here. I'm actually also going to add 10 to both sides. So I have the x all by itself right here. And then 125 plus 10 is 135. And then we can just plug that into our calculator. We'll divide both sides by 15 because we just want 1x. And 135 divided by 15 is 9. And we found our x. Hope this helped.